What's up, YouTube? And today I am with Joystick hack, as you can see, and the new tracking system. So yeah, and so I'm gonna show you guys the new tracking system and how to use it and stuff. So when it comes out for you guys, so let's catch this parasect right here, and like you just hit view, and then you go over there. So right now we just go over there, and this is my hacked account, Joystick hack, and I don't know what it's doing right now. So yeah, as you can see, now you just walk to that Pokestop, as you can see, and there's the parasect right there. So right now we're gonna catch this parasect right here. But yeah, the new tracking system, it pretty much just tells you where the Pokemon's at. So it's pretty easy to find Pokemon and stuff. And I need to catch this parasect. I need to hit it with the ball. Oh my gosh, I cannot hit this parasect. Okay, so nothing nice there. Just hit it. 1, 2, 3. But yeah, if you want to know how to do the joystick hack, I suggest you can look it up on YouTube. I might leave some links in this description below. But yeah, and I know this was a short video, but I was just going to show you guys and the new tracking system and stuff with everything. So yeah, and hopefully you guys have a nice day, and see you later.